girl. Why are you putting her in my pocket now? Come. Okay, wait. I promise you, Abby. I promise you.
Yes.
No problem. Wait. See, remove your hand now. See what you do. About the guy is coming. I want you to go and prepare that soup. You have to prepare it before it comes.
Don't you give me one for me?
Go and prepare it. So I'm going to give you that. I promise you, I'll give you.
Are you sure?
I will give you. Go. Before it comes now. Go. I will give you. Is that why you are doing your face like this? Because that.
I don't know what I'm okay.
Go and get water.
Madam. This party will be bound to be gang. Baba Sule, how do I look? Baba Sule, you're not answering me. How do I look? Baba Sule. Baba Sule, I don't like this thing. Baba Sule. 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 I don't know what is wrong. Your dad is not.
I didn't pay the from this because pay me my money.
No. I don't think so. Baba Sule.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
All right, good afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
Thank you so much. Well, good afternoon, ma, once again. Yes, we are from ABC Insurance Company. So we came as soon as we heard about the sad news of the demise of your husband. So please do accept our condolences.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma. All right. We also want to say that your husband has or had an insurance policy with the company, which he started over 17 years ago. Immediately he got married, and that has run into about 36 million naira. So immediately we heard of his demise, we came to make sure his claims are being paid, so that you can take care of the finances of the family, especially now that he's no longer with us. All right. So my colleague here will handle that.
Sorry, madam, we are very sorry for your husband death. Take care, okay? So you are going to sign some form for us.
Okay, that's it, madam. Please do take care of the family and do take care of yourself. So we have to take our leave so we can attend to other things at the office.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Wallahi, ban gane ba. Kai, plenty money ba. Sule I die, I don't get am for money. To wallahi Sule I die yanzu I get am for plenty money ba. To a wife I enjoy for plenty ba. Kai wani gaskiya. Ai. To wallahi. Hai. Hai wallahi tallahi I dey feel am for you ba. Gaskiya.
Chai, guy.
Kai wallahi.
Hey.
To yanzu what are they happen for me ba wallahi ban gane ba. Gaskiya. In sai me wallahi ibu like a dey boiling water ba gaskiya.
Hey.
Mama Amina wallahi me I want die ba.
You want?
Gaskiya.
You want that?
I want die mana.
You want that?
Gaskiya.
You want that?
Kai wallahi I want to die ba.
You want that?
Hey.
Why? You want that? Leave me. Which can talk be that one? You want that?
To wallahi I don't see am for Sule. Sule I die wallahi I get am for plenty money ba.
No, you don't fit die now. Because Sule die, you want that? No, you want that? Leave me.
Mama Amina wallahi make I understand mana. I think I get am for plenty sense ba. You ever I will collect money from my and I go give am for say. Wallahi I dey talk I wonder you ma I go put am for sense bana. Me I don't want to die really die ba. Wallahi I want to die koni die ba. To koni ne mana.
Why you die?
Gaskiya in gane ai. Why you die ba?
Okay. Not true. So if you die now, I will call those people.
Wallahi you call am for them ba. I dey come I go give am for plenty money ba. Gaskiya. Gengeri, kino. Aboki I get am for sense wallahi I dey hula. If I dey call am for you for bed wallahi I go say wallahi ataya. Yanzu I know aboki I get am for sense.
Inside though.
Yeah, we are here.
No, welcome.
Yeah, thank you, madam.
Welcome.
Yes, you called us.
Yes. Hey, as you see now, my husband don't die. Don't die, don't leave me. Don't leave him.
Sorry. We are sorry about that.
So now, now work on that they do, that they give women where their husband don't die money.
Okay.
I see that my husband don't die now. Me, I don't want plenty money. Now only one pikin I get. So now I will take airports with money.
Okay.
I see don't die now. No, it's a good.
You think so?
Okay. But madam, be like this is they die now when we pay money. Be like this is they take die when we pay them money. No be like this. See as you keep your leg now. Now like this they put leg die. No. We cannot pay you like this.
Yes, see now, see. Leg they wear. Don't die.
Jesus is Lord.
Okay, it's true, right? Really, yes. That's okay, but see in hand now. You know, put in hand well now. Now like this they take die for your village.
See hand they wear. He don't die. Don't die.
Okay, he's getting it now. Okay, I have to see the head. The head, you know, keep him well. No keep it head. We cannot pay him like this.
Okay, he don't die.
This man is talking about you. Wait here. Not be juju be.
He don't die.
See the way he takes keep his head. So, madam, they know they put hair like this die. You never see their body before.
Kai wallahi mai yarda ba. Menene ba? I dey do am for this. I dey do am for like this. I dey talk about go pay our. They dey pay for the money.
Call the police.
Okay, boss.
Call the police.